All right, I'm out here for like 2.7.8.3.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Just gonna put in a few little sports on the old cabinet, cage, whatever you want to call it, before we get to actually paneling it, doing a little late night prep for tomorrow to make my life easier, since the nerve's only good for about 3 hours. So let's just get a little bit done to go in here. Alrighty and out. All right, here we are at this stage. This will be a really deep, narrow, right here. All kinds of cans, jugs, crap like that. And over here, big storage, gear totes, whatnot.
The next day.
Back at it, making the shelves, or the cabinet. We'll see if I can crank her out today. All right, folks, I believe I am done at this stage. We got all the shelves in. So these are all for like quarts of oil, big jugs, aerosol cans of what's going this side. And over here on this side, Matt's gear tote, boots, pressure washer, things like that will go on this side. The only thing left to do is skin it and then sand and finish everything. So the only thing is like a lot of work. But that's what we got so far, so let's keep her going. But we're gonna get her all enclosed in. It's the goal, and then finish. So let's see how things go today. As you can see, we have Matt's dream garage build finished. Got the bike in here, got the toolbox in here, The air compressor. Thank you to Grandpa for donating an air compressor so we can have a good amount of air to run air tools, air up tires, etc. That's just a nice thing to have in the garage. We are all set to get back to riding dirt bikes. Matt has the ginormous cabinet over here, in which he can put his gear tote, several pairs of boots. The bottom is completely open for whatever he wants to put down there, pressure washer, whatnot. Tons of storage up top for spare parts. Cabinets over here. And they go all the way back for those paint cans full of screws and nuts and bolts and old engine parts you don't want anyone to see. On top of the workbench, got thick rubber mats so that way the engine and grease doesn't log in or you don't do any damage to the engine or what other parts you're working on. Again, same over here on the lower bench, a 10-foot bench over here. You get all the parts spread out. And speaking of, we're kind of hoping to maybe get back to dirt bike stuff soon. So thanks for sticking with us through this build. And it might be early enough in winter that we get to the YZ. It was on the docket to rebuild 3 years ago, just keeps being put off. Might get to it, might get the frame powder coated the right color, that'd make me very happy. Or we might start riding dirt bikes. It's gonna be close to 60 next weekend. So stay tuned, see what happens, and like, share, subscribe.